We're very excited to have Old Pueblo Hemp Company making over 12,000 hempcrete blocks that will be used in each of our 6 sleeping cabins. We didn't want to use a material that is made up of toxic chemicals, and so being able to work with an entirely sustainable product like hempcrete allows us to really practice what we preach with our programs and to be able to provide an environment that is more closely connected with the natural world.
So the proper term is hemp lime construction. It's hurd, water, and a lime-based binder. And we mix these materials together and we make hemp blocks out of them. And hemp lime construction is the future of construction. It is a non-toxic, very highly energy efficient way to build. And we're very proud to be one of the few builders of hemp lime construction here in Arizona. There's definitely a stigma against hemp because, people put it in the same category as cannabis. And it is part of the cannabis family, but we like to call it its sober cousin because it's an industrial material. It's not meant for ingestion. It's not meant to get you high. It's meant to build you super healthy, sustainable, eco-friendly homes, non-toxic homes that get stronger over time.
They're incredibly energy efficient. They have a 99.9% fire tolerance. They don't burn at all. So it's an incredibly sustainable material. It's incredibly long lasting, and it really is a perfect fit for modeling sustainable practices at Camp Cooper with our cabins.
I am so excited for these kids to learn about hemp every time they come to Camp Cooper. It really fills my heart with joy, and I can't wait for them to walk into a healthy hemp cabin and feel comfortable and feel part of nature. It's got a feeling, it's got a vibe, and I'm really excited that all these kids at Camp Cooper are gonna feel that hemp vibe.